Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
On April 7th, the PSEi dropped by 4.3%, following a breakdown from the previous week. The sharp sell-off pushed the index below the sideways range that we had previously identified. Despite this bearish move, the index managed to recover and re-enter the range. It even formed a gap on April 10th, rebounding to a high of 6,197.72. However, selling pressure emerged near the 6,200 resistance level, prompting profit-taking that pulled the index back down and closed the gap. Looking ahead, we anticipate that the index may continue to trade within this sideways range. To reach the upper boundary, the index will need to decisively break above the 6,200 resistance level.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Converge Information and Communications Technology Solutions, Inc. Converge broke out of its 6-month sideways range last March. However, after reaching a peak of 19.42, the stock corrected along with the overall market weakness and is currently trading at its previous resistance that now serves as its support. If the stock inches up to 18.00, we can open a position on the stock as we anticipate that it may rebound and reach a new high of 19.95. This target price is derived by measuring the size of Converge's 6-month sideways range. For risk management, place your stop level at 16.94 and limit the sizing of your position as this trade idea's reward to risk ratio is below 3:1.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.